Crypto Billionaire 69! Back with another in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon. Stay tuned for in-depth technical analysis. Let's get straight into the charts, baby. I got a new microphone. Let me know if it sounds better or worse than the previous videos, my friends. I have a 14-day return policy, so if it doesn't sound too good, then I'm going to return it. I kind of like the MacBook audio because it gets the whole room, you know. I feel like this only gets my voice. And it's nice when I have other people in the room and they ask me questions. You guys can kind of bounce off of what they're asking too. But let's get straight into the charts. We are currently up 4% today, almost about 4%. We're 0.5 away from that. Touching these 3657 levels as we are approaching this previous resistance level at the 3998 level. Oh yeah. So, as we can tell, this is a simple resistance that we need to break through in order to move higher. What we have seen here is, as you can probably already tell, as you have probably already understood, we're making higher lows, which is a great thing. We saw a lot of volume come in here as it spiked back through a bunch of previous resistance levels, this previous dip here. As the markets are retracing, Bitcoin is, I believe, up in these $23,000 levels now. 23,000, so it's decent. It's decent. Don't know what's going on here. Next, got it. All right. But yeah, as we can see, Bitcoin here is up 4.34%. Dogelon Mars is lagging slowly behind. However, remember how these meme coins work. As Bitcoin spikes, Dogelon Mars will spike even more as it base is higher. So we have seen a spike on the daily candles here. However, it hasn't broken through previous resistance, which doesn't give a major catalyst for Dogelon Mars to move up or any other meme coins to move insanely like we have seen in the past. So what we are watching for is this to continue to base, and we want to see that volume step in. We are seeing some nice volume. However, it is creating higher lows, and to be completely honest, we're probably going to see another scare before moving higher because it's that's just how the markets work. There's a lot of people feeling like they're missing out because they didn't get in around these $17,000 levels, but patience is key, okay? We're probably going to see those levels again before we move higher. Now, that is just an assumption by Crypto Billionaire 69. However, based on we'll call it the institutional mindset. This would be the most this would be the best move for them to do in order to get the lowest prices and then scare people out before moving higher and getting those same people to buy back in. If you don't know how the institutional mindset works, I'm going to give you a quick rundown for all of you OG people who have been following this channel for a couple months. You should know what the institutional mindset is, and especially for all of you in the Patreon. Let's get into it. Institutional mindset. As it spikes, you sell. As it dips, a lot of institutions are making this drop so that retail traders will start to sell here. Okay, they sell or buy. As they see that, institutions move it higher. Boom, they sell at the top and they write it down. However, they like to cause a lot of emotional distress in the markets because that's when they make their most amount of money. Right here, everyone's saying buy, 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 buy. Retail traders are saying buy, 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 buy. Okay, right here, everyone's saying sell, 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 sell. So that's what institutions do. That's how they profit, is they watch the overall market and the overall sentiment and then do the opposite with big ass money. Okay, and that controls at least half of the market. They just play against human emotion. It's quite simple psychology. That's the basic rundown of institutional analysis. Let's get straight into Dogelon Mars charts. This is the prices that we need to be watching today. These 4038 levels is major because as we spike higher, we're probably going to see a little bit of resistance, and it will most likely come back down to this higher lows and bounce up. However, if Bitcoin continues to follow institutional pattern, then it will probably reject around these $24,000 levels and head back down to test these higher lows. Now what it does here is unknown. It could break through the bottom, could go to the top. We just wait. We just wait for confirmation. This isn't about predicting. It's about playing on the price action that we see in front of us. Okay, that's how you make money. If you try to predict, there's just so many variables that can go in a different way that you didn't think of. Predicting is pretty. It's like gambling, especially in a coin that doesn't provide real value in the world. It's not, to be completely honest, it's not changing really anybody's life. You know, like Apple, for example, they're making cash flow every single day of the year. However, Dogelon Mars is only there's only investors. This is very speculative, but that's what I'm here to help. Crypto Bean is 69 at your service, baby. So that's what we need to look for is a little spike to these 4038 levels. Now, it would be very unlikely for us to see just a major move with volume through this. However, if we do, that's a confirmation candle. That would be amazing. That is the ideal move. However, the chances of us seeing that are pretty low. They're under 50%. We'll say that. However, as it comes up, we want to look for a spike, so it'll look something like this. Spike, drop. And then from here we have two different things. You can go back up, push through, or it can go back up, bounce off, and push down. So that is what we are looking at now. Crypto Bean is 69. I will catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe for more videos like this one. And check out the Patreon, links in the description, for buy and sell alerts whenever I'm getting in and getting out. And my opinions on the markets and what's going on. Crypto Bean is 69. Peace.